Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So today I want to share the tutorials how to make a good title on your video so that your video is not gonna be boring. So first, let's write down the title on the first clip of our project. Okay, just click a text features over here, click text and then add text. Put the title of this video. Today I want to type a day in my life. Okay, so the size is quite small. Let's make it bigger by drag this right here. And now how to styling this title, go into the style button and then we can choose which one that we want to have. I want to this type is with eye-catching. I want to have a green light and then I want to resize it to make it bigger over here. Right, and then I want to have some animation for my titles right here. I want to have a typewriter so it will be like slowly typing. Okay, and now I just need to adjusting the length of the title. I want just fulfilling my first clip, so I want this have or has this same length with my first clip. Okay, so let's have a test. Right, so now your video have like an eye-catching titles. So that's all for today's tutorials, guys. Don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel.